dogs and family. Everyone being mean to mine. Everyone in my family be nice to me and sometimes mean. I love my friends when they're being nice, but except when they're being mean to me. If they make a mistake, then I yell at them when they be mean and not to me. Everyone does not want to see me in the shade. I just don't see when I'm hearing. I just throw their names and stuff, but I don't know when they're gone. Every time I see myself, every day I see along. Everyone does not want to see me. Okay. Everyone is nice to me. Everyone wants to see the shade when I'm only in the blade. I got another song.
Dude, okay, hold on, let me stop this.